I hate this. I hate this shit. No, stay. Yo, didn't listen to me enough too. The Alpha on Grind Time Now. And this is my video response. What you know about that? This is my video response to Locksmith versus
Swear to you, Lord,
Daylyt.
same dudes used to laugh at me. See me in the CL6 with half a beat.
You see this face? That's my face to this battle. Fucking disgusting. Alright. We all know Locksmith did not. He came hard against Passwords. Yes. The Passwords had Password to even finish one of his verses. Like, if Passwords had come with the intent to kill, Locksmith would have not won that battle. Alright? It wouldn't have even been debatable the way Locksmith was spinning. I don't know what happened in between that time and that time, but that nigga went overkill on Daylyt. That nigga went God damn. Nigga, I don't even know what to say. Like, this nigga went bananas. Absolutely insane. Yo. Major music labels are like vampires. They stay the fuck away from Daylyt. Come the fuck on, yo. And Daylyt makes Rainbow. So what am I trying to say? You have a pretty gay fucking name, bro. Oh man, there was way too many quotables for me to try to even begin to cook. Nigga. Exactly. Alright, now with that being said, all that aside, man, okay, let's get into it. Daylyt spit bad. Like, Daylyt was horrible for like this first 30 seconds, and then that nigga became a beast. I don't know what happened, but he got him. My favorite line from Daylyt, like the funniest shit he said was, "This nigga wants to be black so bad, he tried to put thumbs on a camel." That shit was stupid. Like, that shit was mad funny. Like, shit made me laugh, but that was it a odd shit was fucking animalistic. You come with 10 men, they all scarecrows. So I'm gonna leave them lions heartless. What? That's how you feel, nigga? Come on, Daylyt. Yo, I ain't gonna front. After I saw that nigga get murdered by No Can Do, I thought Crack City was whack. Crack City was whack. After I saw that nigga get him and V get slaughtered by No Can. Yo. And if anything, yo, on some real shit, I'm surprised. Like, I was surprised. Like, Daylyt, isn't that nigga from Crack City? Well, if anybody, they should at least get EV. He kind of nice. Everything I done heard Daylyt spit has been, right? And, like, you know, my bad, Day. You came with it. That nigga came with it. Well, that hand on the hip, shit. Yeah, I'm just saying, Day. But with all that aside, had this been a judge battle, had this been a Grind Time official battle, no promo, that wouldn't have gone into overtime. That would have been Locksmith ripping Daylight's ass. No, well, they don't do that out west, but you know what I'm saying. Oh my gosh, man. I ain't never, yo, I don't even have to look at Locksmith. Yo, I can just look at the source's face the whole time Locksmith is spinning. the whole time. Oh my. Yo, the more battles you have niggas like Locksmith do, better, yo. Like, nigga, get him versus Iron. Get him versus get him versus the Swords, yo. Get him versus shit. Get him, yeah, man. Yo, get him versus like get him whoever, yo. Like, man, cause that nigga is determined. That nigga's trying to make up for that MTV loss in spades, nigga. And shit. That's all I can say about it. That dude, ooh. Oh well. Hey, yeah, that's all I can say. I'm done. Like, there's no point. Locksmith, hands down. Daylyt was crack. Had that been anybody else, Daylyt would have came out. Yo, Daylyt would have put in that work. Had that been anybody else, yo. Oh, that's what I meant to say. Yo, Lock called out Disaster too? What? Yo, I want to see that air versus air battle. I want the air versus air battle. It's only fair now because he called out that nigga. Disaster don't play that shit. And Disaster will battle anybody. Easy. You know? And I'm just, because that's that slow, painful aggression. That slow, like, torturous aggression from coming from Locksmith versus that raw, powerful, hard, and fast aggression coming from Disaster. Like, nobody's harder than no one's harder than the other, but their styles are completely different, and so but both very effective. So it's what it is. It is what it is. Like, hey, yo, direct. It was deep. It wasn't direct. Oh, you know what? I'm going to the wrong one. My bad. Switch. Lush. Make it happen. See what's playing. That's that shit. Yeah.